welcome back to my work from home journey. And today I'm gonna tell you my story. This is my second vlog. I already uploaded my first vlog, so this is it. And bad things did not go planned. So, yun. Meron talaga minsan na hindi natin inaasahang pangyayari. So, I'm still a beginner and I'm still learning, but I want to build my online career step by step, one step at a time. Okay, so I know that you can relate to me sa mga first timer dyan na work from home, di ba? Ganun talaga eh. Minsan, nagsimula talaga tayo sa scratch, zero, as in zero talaga, di ba? Ganun sa mga work from home, ganun talaga, hindi yun mamawala. So earlier, I have an interview. This is not my first interview, but I guess it's tries. Murag murag katulo na rin ako na interview. I guess I don't remember. So suddenly in the middle of my interview, I get the internet was lost. Biglang nawala ang internet ko. Meron naman akong backup pero huli na ang lahat. Di ko na nababalik kasi isang beses lang yun. So yun, wala. Ganon talaga. Minsan may mga ganon talagang pangyayari lang pagbaguhan ka pa sa work from home life. Ganon, hindi talaga yun mawala. So what I learned is you don't need to be perfect. Hindi natin kailangan maging perfect. Lalo na nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo. Ganon talaga. Meron talagang ganon mga pangyayari. So you need just to be patient, no? Maging patient, ganun talaga, hindi tayo pwedeng mairita kasi wala tayong magagawa eh, ganun talaga eh, wala. Ang dapat gawin ay keep going lamang. Marami pang iba dyan na marami pang ibang opportunity na matatanggap natin or mapunta tayo doon. So, ibig sabihin mo na that interview is not for me, I guess. Kasi kung para sa akin yun talaga, magtuloy-tuloy yun. Pero, I don't know. So, yun. Ganun talaga ang buhay. Hindi natin yung maiwas ang mga ganung mga pangyari. So, anyways, guys, that's all for today's. It was sad, but it's okay. So, don't forget to share, subscribe to my work from home journey, and let's grow together. I'm just a beginner and I want to grow, and samahan niyo ako sa aking journey na work from home life. So, yun. Thank you at maraming salamat. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and also comment. Bye! Thank you for watching.